I'm a whole lot better than I was 2 days ago, I can tell you that much. I learned a lot about websites. My website in particular went from drowning to now having life. So I can say they have helped me tremendously. The catalyst of this information was, it was really information, knowing what you don't know and being able to see what you can't see in the backdrop. What's next is growth, just growth in numbers, growth in customers, and just being able to provide good customer service. I just want to give a big shout out to these guys. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Mike, and the whole team. They was fantastic, and I really appreciate the hospitality. So I really appreciate it.